planning and coordination of assets and coordination between various agencies like the civil admin with the divisional commander, the camp commanders at various places towards the shrine, the army commanders, VSF as well as the Jammu and Kashmir police. So that was what we did towards the night of 8th of July. The main air operations started on 9th of July, wherein operations started from morning around 8 o'clock. The assets which we used were 4 Mi-17s V5 from the base unit here, 4 Cheetals which augmented from the unit at Leh, and 2 more fixed wing assets which got in manpower and assets from other parts of the country. You would realize that despite the inclement weather which we faced during this time, and we lost almost half a day on 10th of July, wherein no air effort could be carried out till 1400 hours, we were still able to carry out about 112 missions during this course of time. During these missions, we carried out evacuation of 123 people from the shrine and the caves as well as Panchantri. And we also carried several mortal remains back to Srinagar. Approximately 29 tons of relief and rescue material was flown in from this base and few places nearby to the lower cave as well as Panchantri. This effort would not have been possible without a lot of coordination and cooperation between various agencies. The load which was carried up towards the shrine was basically people from the NDRF team which carried their equipment as well as their dog squad. We had army engineers which carried equipment like the rock drilling machines. We had civil administration officials as well as some media personnel also. Air Force on its part also ensured that on the morning of 9th, we carried about close to 500 food packets, knowing that immediately this was something